This sweet little dog is Rennie. She is a lab puppy and just is full of energy. Rennie definitely has a personality all her own. She's enjoying some time off in our lecture hall and she's just been running from toy to toy, checking them all out at once. She loves people, loves to be petted and scratched. Just that very typical happy, friendly lab. She does love to go outside as well. She's very alert and attentive. She really watches everything that goes on outside. She loves to smell and sniff, so she'd be great in an active family. Maybe somebody that can take her for those nice long walks. Otherwise, just buy her toys and watch her go. She's so funny. While she's been here at the Humane Society, Remy is a very smart dog. She already prefers to go to the bathroom outside, which is wonderful for a dog her age. She walks nicely on a leash, and she also takes treats gently. For treats, she already knows how to sit and down. So she is going to be very trainable if you wanted to teach her something in her new home. She is just a very smart, typical young lab. She is going to make someone a terrific new pet.